Hello everyone, it's Xtreme from Tech. How you guys doing? How you guys been? I've been good. So in this video, we have something exciting for you guys. I got this bad boy right here. This is from Aeon. This is the Xtreme i12 Edge, and I'm really excited to unbox this. So we're gonna be unboxing this in this video. I'll show you how it looks. We'll put it together. Then we're gonna do a first boot at the end. So let's get started. All right, so this is the box. Nothing special, nothing on the back. It's just this cover here. This is the power cord. We got some accessories here. This is the power brick, and this is a safety manual. This is the board itself. We're gonna go over the I/O in a second. The back of it. So this can be updated with SSDs. So if you remove these screws, move this, the SSDs can be updated. I think they're all like M.2s. This is the GPIO pins right here. We got two LAN ports. The top one is a 2.5 gig LAN port. The bottom one is a 1G LAN port. We got an HDMI. We got a display port. We got a USB 3.2 Gen 2 USB-A port. We got one USB 3.2 Gen 2 USB port. That's an A port. And we got a USB 2.0 A port underneath that. We got another USB 3.0 Gen port right next to the other one. And so there's the total of 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 USB-A ports. This would be the connector for the Wi-Fi adapter. The side of it here is the other side. This is the bottom. This is COM1, COM4, mic line out. And this one here is a USB Type-C 4.0 port. One of the newest gens in USB Type-C ports. Now we can start powering it on.
All right, so I got everything connected. You got the power here. You got a keyboard here. You got a mouse there. This is the USB port, and it's connected to that monitor over there. Now we're gonna power it on. All right, everybody, so now we're at the next step where we're recording the stream. I turned everything on. I connected this to my screen recorder, and now we're able to see it. It's actually running Windows 10 right now, so I'm impressed. So we can do a few things right now. Let me just make sure I got the right mouse covered here. Let me make sure I can. All right, so I have two mice here, so I gotta just make sure I use the right one. All right, so let's click on this control panel here. I'm gonna go to System. Go to System again. All right, so this is all the hardware in the system right now. So I got the most powerful processor that they offered. It's the 12th gen Intel Core i7 1270PE at 1.88 gigahertz. I got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it's a 64-bit operating system. So very cool. I'm very happy about that. All right, so we're gonna try something else here. I'm gonna click on this folder icon here. I'm gonna click on this PC right here, and we have I believe it's a 200 gigabyte SSD. So I'm gonna upgrade the SSD, and I'm gonna put a faster one in about a 500 gigabyte that I have laying around. And yeah, we're gonna do some tests, and we're gonna do some comparisons. All right, so what I wanna explain, why are we gonna use the upboard? What's the point of having an upboard? Well, the biggest point of having an upboard is using it for robotics, and the board can run Windows 10 or Ubuntu Linux, right? And it has GPIO pins, so you're able to run powerful sensors and everything that you possibly need for high-end robotics. In the future, we're going to be creating some cool stuff with this setup, so you guys stick around so you guys can see the cool stuff that I create with the upboard. And that's pretty much it for this part.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Riston from Tech.com, and thank you guys for watching.